All I'm trying to say is I thank you.
Welcome back to my channel. Sorry for traumatized, you know, as a vlog start, but yeah, man, also I look a bit rough. Excuse the noise in the background. Excuse the noise in the background, please. I'm at my mother's school, just over, so you know the kids are playing. But welcome to my prom vlog. My prom is it. No, so I don't think I'm going too bad. My prom is in 2 days. It's Wednesday, today is Monday. I'm gonna pick up my dress tonight. So yeah, I have everything else. I get everything else already. Just that. What else? Yeah, so just my nails and my hair, I'm not really happy for do, and I'm gonna do tomorrow. Dude. Alright, so guys, it's the next morning. I am at my nail appointment. I decided to come here first. So, I'm here. Sorry about that. I'm here. I'm going to go first so that I can finish in time and leave. I'm going to meet mommy. So yeah, I'm at Marsha, where always the money is. Okay, so she's not here yet, so we're gonna have to wait a bit. So yeah, we're heading home now. I actually finished an hour and a half ago, but I was waiting on her. Yeah, to be done. So this.
You have to make it focus. Let me focus.
Yeah. Yeah, this is what I got.
Hey.
Yeah.
And I should have wear that one.
Oh.
I fear.
Weird. See them. And swear
No.
Peter.
What is shorting? What is
Why not focus?
Talk to them. No, there's nothing to them. Wait. On my vlog, not your vlog. Oh, that's a
So we're done now, we're going home. So Cha, well this too. I want if I no well on pan this no man son. Cha. Yes, I'm look pop down now, but not for long. I'm looking a bit crusty, but not for long. Good night. Oops. So yeah, see you guys in the next clip. I'm going to get some food because mama is not cooking for dinner. I'm gonna cancel my butt. See you guys. Okay guys, so today is prom day. I actually just woke up. My tongue is red because I feel like I'm getting a sore throat and I really don't want to today, like tomorrow any other day, but not today. So I'm taking some medication for that right now. Currently the time is like I think 10 minutes past 8. I'm feeling nervous now because it's actually here. So yeah, so what I'm going to do now is my hair is not fully dry, so I'm going to go in the dryer for like an hour, and then I already packed my bag that I'm carrying to the hotel from last night. After I dry my hair, I'm going to get ready to leave and make sure I have everything. Yeah, the time is pretty early, but prom starts at 6, but I want to reach by 7:30. I don't want to be that early, so yeah. And by the way, I'm not going to be like all those other vlogs where you just see when them get ready and when them left the house and when them reach one snap and when them reach. I'm going to show you the whole prom. Sorry for my red tongue. I'm going to show you the whole prom from when we reach in there to when we come out. So look out for that. So right now I'm just gonna dry my hair and then finish pack my bag. Let's see. Yes, I finished getting ready to go to the hotel, but my throat is acting up like really bad. So I have another one of these cough drops thingy. I don't even know if I saw it name, just I call it so. And I'm the only one that's ready. Guess that excitement. Nobody else is ready. The driver just came and he had to go back because we weren't ready. So yeah, everybody is calling me, telling me that them feeling pissed, like either makeup appointments or something going wrong. But for me, for all of you that follow Swan as well, you know that she's a makeup artist, and of course she's my sister, so she will be doing my makeup. I did my own hair, and photographer will be by or photographer design dojo. So yeah, I'm not really stressing over anything. It's just the fact that my throat is giving me a warm time. What time? 6 o'clock. Yeah. So that's all for right now. Boy, oh my gosh. I don't know why this thing chose to come try to cramp my style, but nothing will stop me from turn up this evening. Alright guys, so now I'm in the car with them two my girl here, Swan and Travis. I don't know if they can't see him, but we'll buy food from Tasty.
Who is Travis? Remember I said not everybody.
Oh, Travis is our driver. For all who don't know. We buy food a while ago, and now we're going to pick up the photographer and then go to the hotel to start getting ready. I don't like this one. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. So when something I go on.
Carry yourself. If you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you.
I've asked about you and they told me things, but my mind didn't change and I still feel the same. What's a life with no fun? Please don't be so ashamed. I had mine, you've had yours. We both know, we know. I die real, cause that truth hurts and those lies heal. And you can't sleep thinking that he lies still, so you cry still. Tears all in a pillowcase. Big girls all get a little taste out, pushing me away so I give her space out. Dealing with
Alright, so hi guys. Excuse my voice, like my throat full on sore now, so that's why I saw like that and my nose is running. but I'm still going to enjoy myself. I'm not going to let that bother me or anything. But I finished the shoot a while ago. Like, I don't mean a while ago, like a while ago. And I'm just here waiting on some time to pass because it starts at 6, but I know no one is going to be there. And you know when you just don't want, you know, everybody going in and seeing you like you're there sitting down and you stay out by the time everything to start. Yeah, that's what I don't want to happen. So I'm here parked somewhere killing time. So yeah, I don't really have anything doing. I'm just here sitting, looking in space. Nobody is ready. Nobody at all is ready. Everybody has said they might reach by 7:30. So I think I'm going to go at that time. Mommy them gone to eat. I think, I don't know if it's them dinner or what, but them gone to eat at Grill Shack. So that's that. And yeah, just let me turn on the light. For a bit of clarification, some people might be wondering why the hell am I having prom in July. It's because I live in the Caribbean, more specifically Jamaica, and here school for us finishes in June, so the only time we had to do it was in July. We had CXC examinations in May, so that was a no-no, and then for the month of June it was very hectic for the year coordinator and stuff like that, so she wouldn't be able to plan this for us, so we have to wait until July out here, which I think is better, honestly. Like, why you gotta go prom and then have school after? No. So yeah, and I think I said this before, but I don't have a date, so you guys are gonna be my date. So I hope you enjoy your time with me. Yeah. And is there anything else? I don't think so. Tell me, is there anything else? Is there anything else planned about now? I think that's it. Still here waiting. Oh, I feel like crap. Honestly, I feel like crap. My throat, my nose. I want to sleep. I don't know why. I've been fine. I can't tell when last I got sick, but of course today I had to feel this way. But the devil not stop me. I feel like I'm strong, but him not stop me. I still gonna enjoy myself and stuff. I called all the girls that I know go to my school in my contact list, and everybody's doing their makeup. So I'm like, wow, what time will y'all be done and ready to leave? I'm chilling in the back of Travis's car, so I forgot to pick up mommy them from up near them house. So after I pick them up and drop them off, which will be a good little minute, then I'm going to tell them to drive slow and go and drop me off, because now it's 4 minutes to 7 and I want to reach by 7:30, but now I'm thinking 8 because literally nobody is ready. But this is how it goes when I do stuff for you guys, because if I wasn't doing the video, I probably started getting ready an hour ago. I probably started getting ready an hour ago, and yeah, but I started getting ready from like, oh man, it hurt me. I started getting ready from, I want to say 2 o'clock. Pretty early, and then I finished the show at 5:15. I remember the exact time. Then I dropped off mommy. And now I'm here waiting for them to call back and say they're ready. Yeah. And no one is posting on Snapchat, so I'm not posting anything either, because why me want fast? You can't want fast for me and me can't fast for you. Don't work. So the fasting I forgot both ways. So yeah. Alright, hi guys, so I'm here now. I just got my corsage. Not a lot of people are here yet, but a fair amount is here, so I'm saving for my friends and I. It is pretty nice. It's pretty nice here. So that's the whole setup. I mean, so far what I'm seeing, everyone looks good. So, you know, it looks like they really came out. So yeah, I'm not going to present a picture with you because I mean, I took all my pictures already. It's just really my friends that want to take pictures with me. I'll take pictures with. Yeah. Alright guys, so since my table of friend them don't come yet, I'm gonna show you like people when I got really at the table, but you know, say hi guys. Hi. You can't really see you, but you know, yeah. So now show them on the dress. Wait, mama give them the pop view. So this is Shanice's outfit of the night. Yes, looking very elegant. Alright, let me get you. Oh, I do want to shoot it, so I'm really need to see them. God. Alright, work it, girl. Alright, so let's see. Nikwifa. This is Nikwifa. Get up and show them your outfit. Hello, yeah, I'm there. I'm there, I'm Alright. This is Shanaski, looking like she's going to be the bride at her wedding. Eh? No? And this is Janelle and our date. This is Alia. Say hi. Yeah, so this is our table. These are all my friends. But no, I kind of look away from everybody else. But you know, when you're down with people who you don't really vibe with, it only makes sense to sit down with people who you actually like. So yeah. You know, I'm my date, because you can't see. Them two you couple up, and me one day just there. So me and her just there. Nice, so we don't know what to watch. Alright guys, so everybody at the table is here. So basically I'm here date, only me and the other one out. You have Kayla over there, Daniel over here. You have Janelle over here, and that's it. I'm the only one on one. Behind me, yeah, I don't really have any other friends. I don't have any other friends that I'm expecting. So yeah, this is it. Alright, so everybody just got their appetizers. This is cream of pumpkin soup. By the way, this is the menu. Yeah. So, turns out it not tastes good. Nobody no wants it. Everybody push you in. I like, me just get this like 0.1 seconds. Nobody wants it. I want water. I really feel like we get up from that table. I swear to God. I feel like we get up. But now that you're in some first. But them are serve food now. So after we eat that, I don't know what over here. We just get this, so this is roast chicken, Chinese pepper steak, rice and peas, chef pasta, and raw vegetable. I'm not too sure about this soup. You know, but me go and eat this, and then let's see what happens after everybody goes. I'm gonna tell you. You see, when you eat cold fries or cold bread food, I saw that food that tastes like good on my throat. Did you do that? the chicken tough and cool. And that, yo, when mommy them go grill shack, I better me go in them. Because this don't taste good. I have a little couples game in my phone. Touch for a girl and guess which one I'm date. I can only touch them and the one with the little blonde in her ear, she I'm there. Now she has to touch them jaw and guess which one is her date. What's your arm? But alright, so this competition now, I guess, is best couple. They asked all the girls to go on stage with their dates. I don't know why. So you know, say I'm you want the left right table. Jesus Christ! What? Put this for me, just for me. Wait, sir?
Sometime early in the year, and that's Thursday. You voted. You voted for.
It's a record, right? Yeah, it's a record, right? So
we are going to give Thursday.
Blood cam. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Jada, this is my first vlog cam.
So, the third thing, you know, and I'm going to ask, is it Whittingham Johnson?
I can't believe I just saw in their video.
I'm going to ask them to come on stage. The third place, you know, comes from 11.
No.
Her name is, can you guess? Alexa epitomizes the Egyptian princess or goddess.
Yeah.
Or
yeah, she really does follow. She really did follow this. Shamika, of course. Shamika.
11.
Shamika.
R.
Shamika.
11L.
No, it's Shamika Gordon.
11D. 11A.
Divinity Dimples.
Yes.
A Divinity Dimples, right?
Yes. 27 is none other than
Divinity Dimples!
Mr. Watson.
Come on. Ease up for this way. Ease up for this way. Sit.
Mr. Watson. We need to groom Mr. Watson. Are you ready? Not ready for alright. Alright.
Alright, so as you guys just saw, yeah, you can go. I won from home, so I got this crown here. It's clashing with the piece, but you know, we're just going to let it slide. We're just going to let it slide right now. I got this basket as well. So yeah, that's what I got.
Alright, so
I'm really appreciative because I honestly didn't think I was going to win because, you know, a lot of good girls were in the running, but you know, they came second and third because I did exactly. So yeah, I won. I feel like I know a long time I win something if I ever win anything. So yeah,
number 2, couple number 2.
so they resumed the best couple game. So basically what they're doing, they're asking the couples question about each other and they're supposed to know. But it's 14 of them, so I'm not gonna stand up and show them, just show them down here and then.
Who is your date's favorite dancehall artist?
So guys, my friend wanted to tell my friend that she did feel like say she come 2 hours late, so that's why I've never seen her before. But this is Brianna. Yes, we're gonna show them the back. Yes, she feel like she's a hottie. Brianna thinks she's a hot girl. Be like Brianna.
Which primary school did your date attend?
Wait.
Alright. What is your date's future career of choice? That is correct.
Okay. What is the first and last? Sorry. What is your date's future career choice? Self-employment. Thank you. You're both correct. Number 10.
Go to couples dance. To that.
So it's when the next day now. I was too tired to end the vlog last night because it was really like I couldn't hold the camera the whole time and I understand with me. I couldn't hold the whole time, but yeah, so I couldn't hold the camera the whole time, but thank you guys for being awesome dates and keeping me company, and thumbs up the video if you liked it. Don't forget to comment and tell me what y'all think. Don't ever forget to subscribe for more videos from Moa. But until next time guys, bye. I don't know when I'm going to do our next vlog. I don't know, but the reason I sound like this, by the way, is because I'm sick. And yeah. Oh, if you guys have any questions about the dress, it was custom made by a friend. She's not really that out there, but I mean, yeah, she did an awesome job. But yeah guys, until next time, bye.